Oh, Yami, Fata.
Glory. Whoa, Martin, say, busy. Come, my deep words. Yes, to Kusuku, but which I say, they will check down the place of what he say. Somebody say, hey, go,
Nest! They'll be about money, be about knowledge. Nest!
Well, what's your
I'm putting your team, you don't know, go with it. I see your team.
Yeah, I'll put you back, yeah? Yeah, I'm almost there. Yeah, I'm actually here. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay, so you take care. Bye. Yeah, hello.
Counseling, how are your post?
Hi.
Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah.
So please,
Atasa.
Oh, okay, now maybe are you okay with him? Oh, okay. Martin and Kappa, oh,
Yeah.
you are.
Atasa!
Now you there?
You are.
Atasa!
Okay.
Atasa.
Oh, that's good.
It's mommy. Those who are US.
Yeah.
You are warmly welcome.
Thank you so much. So I wanted to
come for a counseling.
Yeah.
Near my house.
I've heard a lot of things about him. So I really wanted to come and see him.
Okay, then you are at the right place. Papa.
I just wanted to
My
find
dear.
out. Which I talk to you directly.
My dear, which name brought you here exactly?
Also for Tessa.
Good. I am the also for Atasa.
I'm your personal assistant.
Yes.
So you say,
Go and buy me Indo.
once again, fantastic.
As I was saying,
How come I will translate?
Oh, okay. So actually, I'm about to get married to a pastor.
Okay.
So I wanted to find out if it's going to be a good decision or not.
Oh, but what a pastor.
Yeah.
And I have said a very good decision. And it is oh, look at me.
Okay.
Decision, very good.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Also for
Also,
Atasa. I like his picture.
yeah, yes.
my dear, we do a lot
Is it
over
okay
here.
behind me?
Oh, yeah.
We do a lot over here. Please, can you, stand on your feet for me right now?
Oh, okay.
Yes, let's have a word of prayer right now. Thank you very much for standing on your feet for me. Please, and look close, yes, yes. So,
Close my eyes?
yes, please.
Oh, okay.
Close your eyes for me, please.
Are you guys okay?
I won't fire, mommy. I'm okay. So I'm okay.
Please be roaming here. Because the demons, yes, please, be roaming over here. The demons in you
No,
is
it's not about the demons in me. I just wanted to find out if the man I'm getting married to is
yes.
okay.
I'm your spec and then I'm coming and
Me know you all.
Amaka.
You are my spec. Like, look up.
Amaka. I'm going to flavor. No more good. Maupunyama. Mapo awa. Tonye. And the shadow. Tafia, me and come to fly. Close your eyes and let me pray for you right now. Sashi, go save it. Kala, my team will say, boy, I'm going to press him to any American association. Hey, Pierre, what's the same as that? So, is it toast, my dear?
This is your tone I'm hearing, Pastor.
It's toast.
That's an insult.
Mama Lupe, say.
Okay.
Say. My dear, I'm entering into a different realm. And my tone and my language is going to change right now.
Sure.
So, Posek, me say, Atasa, Sako Lepisi. I could turn away Jimmy Cosan, doing a baby plan to see me coming to Kajana, like, hey, Pierre, what I don't say.
Excuse me.
Well, lying was a kind of make up as a 70. Well, lie. Sapo, Polo, Seki. Mo. Yes, mo. Adiawa.
Sofo, atia waya no, atia de waya no, sofo.
So
you are taking for granted.
I said, once I'm saying now, only me.
And my church, the demon you are now.
I'm really, I don't know.
I don't want some be shaming to know. No, we delete the hand, it was some delete.
Okay, so let's make it another time.
No. This guy knew that time. Adia waya mami. And also, Onya saye. Oh, you want to say, what's it? What's it? I'm like, I'm saying, hello. My people, the 2 years. No, you don't get them. What's it? What's Glory. Whoa, Martin, see, BC. My deep wolves, to Kusuku, but which is showing you, they will check down the race of one picture. Say, say, Sabo, hey, the spirit is the spirit in you is penetrating in me, so I'm a married of the areas elevated. Salo Pese, how about me? I couldn't say, of yes, I'm seeing. Born dog yourself is here. I can say, Bo Pussy, how about me? Oh, loads of joke. Oh, I say, that's a home air working. Say, Toffle, wait here. Oh, no, everybody is for their convenience. I'm cooking. You know something? It's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. When you enter to the spiritual realms, like you feel different spirits. Like you feel different. I mean, like assumptions. You feel different. Humanities. You feel so many things. You know something right now? I will take you to my room right now, and I get this anointing oil and the spring water on you. I'm going to say, hey, the day called them and what you want you know something like before I'm gonna cleanse you and do everything for you. Once I take you to my matrimonial room and I have this nice perfume. Oh, roughly, but whether they are going to say 6 hours, every 6 hours. But I shot to the arm.
Okay, so you I'm okay.
And I said, I'm
not interested.
Well, you're
the way in a movie past 4 grand, the way in the title.
So, move me now, because I'm going to and I'm going to come up here to say, and also the Messi. A movie, hey, movie started to scan on your map. What's that? Scan almost my fat. Midday, movie, so
I'm sorry, but I have
no. Oh, what opened the gate for him?
Oh, nothing. We get you a sister called with my one way. The who you know, software, yeah. Jimmy, oh, hey, what's it? I know, so when you one with you, oh, but so pay me, who better ice, also rems him. And I'm trying to give you this ice. What I say? So as I was trying to give you this ice, you were like, so I like what you are. Yes, I'm done for that, Madam.
I know the border, cause I'm getting ways out the losses. And tell me who the fuck's gonna stop this. Yeah. Wale, I know the border, cause I'm getting